Welcome to a new XLSTAT video tutorial. Today, I would like to show you how to create a Pareto plot in Excel using XLSTAT.
This visualization tool, which combines both bars and a line graph, helps us detect the most frequent causes of a problem. Here we are going to investigate the results of a quality inspection for pitches. Column A provides the reported issues, and column B the number of non-conforming items. Let's go to the Statistical Process Control menu in XLSTAT and open the Pareto interface. The first step is to import the data to the dialog box. We select column A in the root causes field and column B in the frequencies field. The subsamples field could be used if we had multiple groups of pitches. For instance, different varieties. In the second tab, several options allow us to customize the chart. For example, I choose to sort causes in descending order according to their frequencies. I can also combine causes, having a frequency lower than 10. I can deal with missing data if needed. Here there aren't any. And through the last tab, I let XLSTAT change the color of the bars once the cumulative reaches 80%. I click OK and the Pareto chart is immediately displayed, preceded by the linked data used for the chart. Rotten and bruised seem to be the most frequent causes. As expected, the last three categories, underripe, wrong variety, and wormy, have been grouped together. And the color of the bars changes after the cumulative exceeds 80%. Thanks for watching.